Okay, here is a quick video on how to wipe, how to use a microfiber rag to wipe. This might sound silly, but a lot of people that I know will just like take a rag or something and like wipe around like that. And that is not good. It's not going to get things off very well. It's going to use like a bunch of weird areas of your rag, and instead you can get a lot more use out of a rag by folding it in half once, in half again, and then usually to get more control I fold it in half once again. Spray, wipe everything from back to front in direct motions so that anything that you're getting you can just put on the floor to vacuum up later. Or if you don't want to let it drop to the floor, just put your hand or like a sheet or something and wipe it into that. And then once this side of the rag gets dirty, you can unfold it like that, fold it over again like that, use this side to wipe in a direct motion. So now that side and this side would both be dirty. You can fold it inside out. Do the same with those two sides of the rag. Then after all of those sides are dirty, you can fold the rag inside out, use this side, and both of those sides. Easy peasy, easy to wipe directly. And if you have something that you have like a stain on, that's not a stain, but pretend it was, you can spray your spray, let it sit, and then wipe it off with a rag in a circular motion, and then wipe like that. And that's how to use a rag to wipe.